My name is Anson and I am your mini reporter today. I am here to share an exciting news story with you. The title of our news is Artemis 2 mission splashes down safely. 4 brave astronauts came back safely to Earth after a 10-day trip around the moon, landing in the Pacific Ocean on April 10, 2026. Big parachutes opened up to slow down their spaceship before it landed in the blue ocean. This news is very special and interesting because all the astronauts came home safe and sound. That is all for today's space news. Thank you for watching and listening to me.